Hello everyone, this is Kristen. In today's video, yes, we're gonna look at Medusa's makeup. They got me. They got me once before I canceled. So it is canceled, but yes, this is, I guess, for this month. They already sent it. Because as I've already said, don't think it's worth it. Not worth it. So it's $18.95. You get 4 products. So I did already look in here because I was just like, motherfucker. But, you know, I had already seen that they charge my account. But anyways, so I will show you just what I got. So, yeah, when I opened this too, I noticed the smell. I'm like, I don't like that smell. But, so it looks like they're making their own bath salts now. And this is Take Time to Chill Bath Salts, Relaxing Eucalyptus Epsom Salt, plus Biodegradable Glitter. I am not going to use that. I don't like eucalyptus, so that'll be thrown in my giveaway pile. They do have the little card that comes with it. Wish you were here. Cruelty-free and vegan beauty box. Okay, and we do have the information on the back. I will read this one this time. And then we still have that same card, 15% off almost everything in the site using the code HEY, just in case you are interested. This box is a little different than the last one. I'm just going to take everything out here. Now we can get rid of this box, this bag. Okay, so the next thing in here that is probably one of the smelly things. This is the Medusa's Makeup Witch Hazel Waikiki Hibiscus Facial Toner. Actually cute, you know, it's very decent packaging, but I'm again going to, I'm just going to put this in the giveaway pile. I thought, I could just empty this out and put my own toner in it. Ugh, not a fan. No, I'll just put that in the giveaway pile. I got another card here. Save the date. The beauty box turns 5 August 2021. 5 premium products plus featured brands plus bonus items. Free lipstick, your choice with purchase of 30 and over. Use code LIPPY. So now, it says 5 products, but on the website it says 4 products, so that's a little weird. Anyways, okay, the next thing in here, it looks like we got a coconut oil wipe, a single wipe here. It says, remove makeup, nourish thirsty skin, clear blemished skin, soothe sensitive skin. It looks like it must be, maybe it's an Australian brand. It's cocobetty.com.au. Okay, alright, and then I guess the bath salts counts as actually one of the products. Thought I was missing something. Okay, so the next thing we're going to look at is a tinted lip balm. Put my scissors here so I can open this. So I don't know how this happened, but not to be too gross, but today I stepped on a centipede coming into my room. How does that happen? Maybe it was like dying? Shouldn't that not happen? Really weird. Okay, so anyway, so this is the outer packaging. So, tinted lip balm. Here's the color. I'm unsure if I'm going to keep this. I haven't touched it at all. All I did was open it. So that was in Spicy was the color. Okay, and then we have another lip product. This is Public Goods Lip Balm. It's all good. It has a safety seal. It just says the ingredients are coconut oil, shea butter, I can't read. Get an old Candelilia wax. I don't know. And that's it. So I don't know if it has the smell. I don't know anything else. I'm not going to open it. I have a lot of lip products, so I'm just not going to open it. Okay, and then the last thing we have is one of their little loose pigment pots, and it's in green, so that's cool. Something a little different than we're used to here. And of course it has one of those annoying safety seals on the inside. So let me see what I have here that I might be able to open it with. Fun times, fun times. Okay, let's shake this up a little bit. Get that pigment in there. It's like a sparkle color. Satin? Is that what it is? Yeah, but that's nice. To its credit, it's a lot different than the first one that I'd gotten. So there's that. So anyways, let's look at the products here, see what they cost. So the tinted lip balm in Spicy costs $16 normally. The Medusa's Witch Hazel Waikiki Hibiscus Toner costs $12.95. The Medusa's Bath Salts Take Time to Chill, that little package costs $10. The Public Goods Lip Balm is $4. The Medusa's Eye Dust and Wasabi, that was the name of the color, was $9. And the bonus Cocoa Betty face wipes are $3. So y'all know what I think of this brand. I don't think it's worth it, but let me know down in the comments below what you think. And if you get Medusa's makeup at all, whether it's their monthly box like this, or if you've ordered from them, or anything else, let's strike up a conversation there in the comments. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget, I am a crazy ass and I upload every single day at 10 a.m. So I will talk to you later. Bye.